This one. This is so exciting. So a little bit of lime.
Like I say, everyone, we are limited in Korea, so we get what we get, and we'll make it happen.
Right. So juicy. Juicy, bursting with flavor. I mean, I want to lick the bottom of the plate. Is it as good as Oscar's food? I don't know. I don't know. He's sitting right in front of me.
No, this is too much, Paul. I mean, like, really nice of you, bro.
It's different, but it's the best choice we have right now.
Yes.
Finally made it happen. We couldn't go to Rio Verde, but we're here. I don't know what the lettuce is for though.
I think that's a pickled onion.
Is it pickled onion?
Yeah.
Okay.
This looks amazing,
Right.
especially with the side of the consomme.
Consomme is not bad, right? Okay.